Namaskar friends, welcome to Presha Yoga and I am Presha. In Learn a Yoga Pose series, today we will be learning Goddess Pose, also known as Utkata Konasana. So roll out your mat and let's get started. Now this pose is great for strengthening your lower body muscles. We are going to begin this pose from standing tall in Tadasana. So Tadasana is with your feet hip width apart. And from Tadasana, we're going to take a step out. So take a step out with both your feet wider than your shoulders and turn your toes slightly out so they are pointing to the corners of your mat. Okay? Now from here, lengthen through your spine. So take an inhale to lengthen. Keep your shoulders relaxed and down away from the ears. And then with an exhale, we're going to start to bend into your knees and go into a squat. So bend your knees and go into a squat. Now when you go into a squat, we want to make sure of a few things. We don't want to cave the knees in, so this is something that you want to avoid. You want to draw the knees out and in a way that they are pointing in the direction of your toes. Especially think of pointing your knees in the direction of your pinky toes. So trying and taking your knees out, okay? And with your back and your tailbone, you don't want to lift your tailbone back. Instead, tuck your tailbone slightly down and draw your belly and your core in. So these are the things that you want to remember, including lengthening the spine, so keeping your spine upright and not rounding through your spine. Okay, so let's go back at it. So feet wider than the shoulders, turning your toes out, pointing to the corners. Take an inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend your knees. Again, knees going out in the direction of your toes. Especially think in your mind that you're trying to draw your knees in the direction of your pinky toes. Sitting up, in a way that you're bringing your thighs almost parallel to the mat. But if you're just starting with the pose, you can start somewhere a little up and keep practicing, and with time you want to arrive at a place where you can bring your thighs almost parallel to the floor. With your arms, you can come with your hands in Anjali Mudra, or you can take cactus arms, also known as goalpost arms. So these are the two ways that you can use your hands while practicing this pose. So let's do this pose for 3 cycles of breath. So we're going to stay in the pose for 3 cycles of breath, okay? So standing tall, feet out, toes pointing out. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bending into the knees, knees drawing out, hands to your heart center. All right, let's take 3 breaths. Keep the spine tall, tailbone tucking down and under, core and belly drawing in. Good, one more breath. Slowly stand up and bring your arms to the sides. With your feet, you can heel, toe your feet in, and that is Goddess Pose. Now friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like and share this video if you found it useful. If you subscribe to the channel, you will find such more videos and also yoga classes and even meditation sessions on this channel. I will see you again in another video soon. Take care. Om Shanti.